Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you everybody? This is Sayed once again. As you can see, I have a product to do a review today. It's called Local Lead Magic. What is Local Lead Magic? This is the page. Actually, I am in the sales page. So you can see this new Local Lead Magic Premium WordPress theme and a plugin. It's a combination of a theme as well as a plugin which will help generate leads for any of the business you imagine, like plumber, handyman, like dentist, chiropractor, whichever a local company or a local business can generate leads with this plugin. What does it do? Actually, imagine a location in UK has 1,000 locations, or a city which is like a surrounding northwest area, or any area in UK has like 500 or 1,000 or 2,000, whatever the location is. Just with this theme and plugin, you within like 5 minutes, or like within a 5-minute, you can create an entire 1,000 location, 1,000 page website. If somebody clicks in Manchester, you're gonna have a page especially for Manchester, and they can contact the plumber with a page which looks exactly for Manchester. Imagine another page in London exactly for London. You know what I mean? So this is like, that's the power of this theme as well as a plugin, where you'll be able to create like 1,000 or 2,000, which for each and every location you'll have a unique kind of a website which is all created with a single content and a single like the plugin which you're going to use. Like it's just from a single like a page, like we call it as, this is why I call it as a magic page, which through the single plugin and the theme which you're going to use, you're going to generate like 300 500 or 1,000 page website. That's the speciality of this this product. I really liked it. I do use something similar, but not for local leads. I do like a website for mass page generation. I do website. This is really unique, targeting each and every industry. That's what it makes it special. This is going to help each and every local industry out there. That's what I like about this product. Okay, let's jump into what you're going to get actually. So if you see this is a page you will land. If you like this product, you can see this Local Lead Magic is a combination of Magic Page Premium Local Theme and a special plugin. So these are the two things you're going to get as a part of this product, which is going to help create amazing SEO perfect website. This is going to target exact the geolocation with the longitude and latitude of that entire area. Imagine how much Google loves this, these kind of geo targeted website. It's so easy to rank these kind of websites. Reason is, this is what Google loves so much. When it is more specific to that local area, that's how the page is going to be at the top. And anybody searches for any plumbers in Manchester or plumbers in any particular area, you're going to be at the top. That's what the speciality about this. It creates amazing SEO perfect websites with the geo-targeted pages for every single area of a business covers. That's what I'm saying. Every single page you're going to have like a single, just one piece of content, all from one single piece of content, making it easy for your clients to dominate the local industry online. Just you're going to have one article or one kind of like a contact number, everything, a single, targeting each and every location. Like imagine it's 1,000, it's 1,000 going to be like a 1,000 page location, 1,000 page website. So that's the speciality. So this is what you're going to, let me show you straight to the product. Let me show you the, I just showed you, this is the sales page. You can just click the link below and you can just check this page. I'll add a proper demo of this product end of this video. So I'll show you inside the product as well. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what this power of this this product can do. You can see this. Just wanted to tell you what exactly you see this. What you're going to have is choose any 3 of a 47 premium. Imagine there's going to be like 47 WordPress themes. Like this is to do with the business industry, like plumber, handman, like whatever, like you can imagine. I think it's over here. You can see this. Just imagine these, like accountants, architecture, just like locksmith. Imagine the number of that's car repair. There's like umpty number of businesses. If you come into local industry, that it's like around 47 themes they're giving. Like but I think as part of the first front end sale, you're going to get 3 of them. If you want like unlimited or everything, I think there's like an upsell. I'll show you the upsell. So what does this work with? These 3 themes you can choose as part of the first front end product. And this will work with any of your favorite builder page builder. Either you have Elementor or Visual Composer or Divi, whichever you want, you can use it. So they have done it in such a way that you can get it all these themes part of the Elementor or Visual Composer or Divi. That's how they have done it. So you're gonna get like 47 different the local business to choose, like out of which you'll be choosing 3. This is just for that first part. If you want upgraded version, you can get the other ones. And then one-click demo import, different page builder versions, mobile responsive, build for lead capture, developer license included. So this is what you're going to get. You can see, you can just you can come into this page and check it. All of them, you can see the demo of all these this page. This is like not like any kind of website. It's like a proper locally, imagine any car repair company or any plumber who want a basic clean and tidy website. That's how it is, and it's very well. I have just gone through it. It's really good, looks good. You can come and just click on any of these demos and you can have a look what it looks like. So what you're going to get like is this. You can see this. This is the demo. I'm going to add it to you. I'll just show you straight to the product. So what it looks like. This is the members area. This is how it looks. Even if you don't even know anything about WordPress, or if you don't know anything about like setting up together, don't even bother. The way they put that training is so easy that even if you don't know anything about like putting together this kind of websites, this is going to help you. That's how they have put it. You can see this. This is the page you need to come down first, and all the trainings are here. All the basics, how to install. If you don't know, I'm sure you might be knowing it, but I'm saying even if you don't know, you can just go through it. How to install a plugin, all the basic settings, location, database install, finding the locations, adding the magic page. It's like, don't even. I also added a very good bonus, like if you really don't know anything about WordPress, I have added a proper basic training for WordPress as well. So they also have a very good, kind of all these. If you know, this is all about shortcodes. When I told you it's gonna, like, you're going to target like 100 location, 500 location, 1000 location. This is what is called it as shortcodes. This is where, this is how we put it as, within the name we put cities, like it will choose all the cities, like each and every website will have the name of that city. I'll just show you. Anyway, I just want to tell you, you don't need to even bother if you don't know anything about, like how to put together everything, and this, they have very good training over here. And this is the members area. This is how it looks. You can see this. You can see this. Choose your favorite page builder below. So you will be choosing, as I said, the top 3. Normally anybody will be using it, Elementor, Visual Composer, Divi, or you can see these options are there. You can choose any of these, and when you click here, you will have this option. Like imagine you're going to choose Elementor, just click here. So what I'm going to be presented is with all those which I told you, that 47 local business options which you can choose. Imagine you wanted to target, like you have, whether you're doing it for you or whether you're doing it for your client, you can choose these either auto electrician, nursing, limousine, any local industry you might think of, it's already there. So that's really good for you. So you can just choose and download 3 of them. I think the first part you're going to have 3, and I think if you're going to want like upsell, there is like 9 something you can choose. So I'll show you the upsells, but I'm just telling you this is what you need to choose in terms of theme. And then in terms of plugin, you will be getting a plugin. I just told you you're going to get a plugin where this is where what you call as a magic page. I'll just show you inside the. So this is what the basic part. You need to choose a theme here, and the plugin part. I'll just show you the inside my demo website, which I was just playing around. You can see this. Okay, so this is what once you get the plugin, you can just go install the plugin. You will get a plugin. And in that plugin, actually I don't have Elementor, so that's why I just choose Elementor. So I haven't installed Elementor actually, but I'll show you what is this power of this one. You can see this one. Let me drag this a little bit longer. Okay, you can see this. What are the countries you can target, because you're going to whether you use it for your business or you want to target anything. You can see these are countries covered: Austria, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Cyprus, Germany. Almost all the tier ones, or even like high-end, all the countries have been covered here, like even US, even India, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, New Zealand. You imagine, like almost all the countries are covered. I'm in Middle East, so I mean it's not covered, but anyway the major part of the countries are covered here. Like, I mean, they're adding this, like every time they have been adding each and every country. But anybody who want to do this kind of local business, it's going to be like either US or like Canada or Australia, New Zealand. These are the places normally people target, like but you still have like lots of European countries as well. So it's like major countries are covered. Let's go into United Kingdom. I just wanted to show you, like just get an idea what it is, how it looks like. So you can see this Northern Ireland, Scotland, all these are covered. I was just talking about, imagine, let's go Northwest. They have this option of filters. Whether you go by install major location, just apply filter. Imagine how many locations are covering. It's around 19 locations. You just don't want to do it like that. You wanted to go do by zip code, you can do by zip code. Whether you want to choose by country, counties, you can do that. If not, let me just type in like 50,000. I just wanted to cover people in that area, in that location, like might be 500,000. Okay, let's try and see how much locations are covered. So I'm just applying filter. You can see 17 locations. So this is, what does it mean? This, you're going to build a website which is going to be like 17 websites. Don't even think, even this can help you build, even like imagine you go into East Midlands, you can straight away install now database for 3,211, like 3211 locations, and then you're gonna unique, like you're gonna build like 3,200 pages website for this auto electrician, or or car repair. You're gonna build that much within like few minutes. You're gonna build that much website pages. That's what the power of this one. So once you go, you just press install database, it just downloads it. You can see this, it quickly does that. My PC is a bit slow. Okay, so once you do it, actually I'll add a proper demo of this product. Tony does a very good explanation. I'll add the proper demo because I don't have Elementor on this my WordPress. This is a demo page. I normally like do a review. So once you do it, you just go continue. I just wanted to show how easy and like how they have made it easy for you guys to even myself, I don't do local leads generation. I just do like mass page, like for affiliate marketing. So I'm not into local lead generation, but this product seems really it's gonna help you in targeting, help this local business a lot. So you can see this, whichever you want, like, and just this is the API key, you'll be choosing it, whichever URL you want to direct to, and default radius you can change it, and the URL, this is the magic page one, this is the Google Map API key, this is, sorry, the API one. Just like, you can just leave all these basics ones. You can just go and then save settings, and this will be downloaded for you, and then you can start working on it. That's you can see the settings successfully updated. Once you do it, you can just go and start. I think there's no Elementor in my thing. Once after this, you just need to go press Elementor and then just start building the page. That's the basic idea of it. Once you build the page, you can see this. I'll just show you what it looks like. Just go basic magic page. I was just playing with this since I don't have Elementor in my in this PC. I'll just show you what is. I was talking about shortcodes, right? You can see this. This is where you'll be building up, like, locations and stuff. You can see this. This shortcodes is the secret of this product. This is how they do it. You need to choose location. You can see this, copy and then paste wherever you want to within the website, wherever you want to mention as location, like Manchester or Unfall or like Old Wall, whichever your location want. You just need to press just copy paste here, like this is where you do the content, and wherever you do writing the content, you will be putting it just the bar location. So it automatically, if it is 500 locations, 500 cities name or 500 counties name will be on that that page. So like, I mean, it's like each and every time they open like Manchester, it will show as Manchester. When somebody opens in in London, it will open as London. That's how the name comes up with. That's what the power of shortcodes. You can use all the cities. So this is what it is. Like. And this is something I really, this is generate canonical link. This is something Google loves so much. I really wanted to tell you this, and this is where I need to tell you this schema. Google loves schema so much. If you don't know anything about schema, just Google it. This is what Google loves it so much. You can just come in here, put it like imagine you can see all the business which I was talking about. Choose any, like Imani, I'm just talking about auto dealership. Just put auto dealers here. You can just put it as that location, auto dealers. It'll be like this. You can just put it as auto location, or you can just put it as auto dealers. So the website, the name, business name, it starts with auto car repair. Auto car repair Manchester, auto car repair London, auto car repair Croydon. So that's how it comes up. So here you can come and fill in your phone numbers, email, anything you can do. But this part, you can see this site URL and this city location. You can just see not the like a main city. this here, if you see city, you can just come and put that, copy this city. You can I just told you this city. You can see, choose this part here, whichever the slug, sorry, here it is, county, or like whichever, how you want to target, whether you want to target, you can just put it here. And what does it do is, it automatically pulls around 10 nearby locations, whichever is available. So easy for people who are searching, you can click that and it will show you that website. So that's how this has been done. And this schema, I'm telling you, this is the something very, very, like Google loves this so much, and it really really, in terms of SEO, it ranks such websites to the top. So this is going to help you a lot with in terms of SEO. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to tell you like the basic part. I know I just wanted to show you fully, but I think I don't have this Elementor on in my website. But don't worry, I'll add the proper demo of this, so you know what I'm really trying to tell you. So what does this cost you? I need to tell you the first of all what is going to cost you this product. It's going to cost you $27 for 3 premium, or what out of those 47 you're going to choose 3 WordPress themes and 3 Site Magic page plugins. So you're going to get like 3 magic plugins, like 3 websites. You can use 3 WordPress sites and 3 business themes. This is going to be $27. There's going to be OTOs. It's like either you're going to have theme clubs like lots of other themes, and it's going to be for $27 monthly or $97 annually. I think it's worth $97 rather than $27. If you're into local lead generation, this is like, it's going to completely, don't even think of paid traffic anymore. So imagine, this is like, imagine anybody who search nowadays, they just go to Google and search, and this, when I have this power of SEO with that, that schema and other like, geolocation, it's just going to show up to the top. Like plumbers in Manchester, or when anybody chooses such kind of search, you are going to come up easily. Reason is because of that geolocation targeted websites. Sorry, the other OTO2 is Magic Page Plugin Unlimited License, like $47 monthly or $497 annually. So this is like unlimited means like, I think you're gonna have only 3 plugins. I think this is gonna use it for any number of WordPress sites. And apart from that, you can see this OTO3. If you can't afford so much, you can see there is also a one-time payment. This is like a monthly payment. There is also a one-time payment. I think it's like kind of a downsell. 6 or 9 more premium local business themes, or 6 or 9, depends upon whether 67 or 97. You're gonna get like 9. Like you just wanted to have like 10 plugins, you can use just 10 plugins. If you wanted unlimited, I think this is the unlimited one, Magic Page unlimited version. And this is like for a one-time payment, you can just get it for 67 or 97, depends upon 6 or 9. So this is all about local lead magic products. And as I said, this is where you can see this. You can see this is the page I was talking about. This is a demo. I'll add it to you. You can just go through it. You can see this is what you're gonna get. So what are countries? You can see this, all the countries which I showed you. You get all the 17 countries, unlimited HTML exports to all 17 countries, unlimited PDF exports for 17 countries, unlimited website exports. Okay, all for anything to do with the ability to build unlimited dynamic backlinks to your website, GMBs and videos, unlimited uploads to Google Cloud Drive, S3, Azure, developer license included. Okay, so you can go through it on your own time. I mean, this is a long sales page. You can see there's lots of testimonials are there. I mean, if you ask any marketer, in terms of even me as affiliate marketer, I use mass page building for affiliate marketing. That is completely different style. I do like a different website. I do product. This is completely targeting local leads, local companies, local businesses, and helping them to generate leads without paid traffic. That's how anybody nowadays, they just go into Google and just search nearby plumbers, near me. You see this near me. It's a famous thing. Near me. Electrician, or that particular like Manchester City plumbers. Auto repairs. That's how they search. And when you do such search, and these kind of websites, easy to rank, they come to the top because they are already geolocated as well as the schema oriented one. So easily they come up to the top, and then you can easily get the leads, and they're going to contact you straight away. So that's how this if you're into local leads, this is going to really help you a lot, guys. Okay, let me show you what's I just wanted to give you show you what, this is like. If you really like this product, you just come into this page, just click it, and it will take you to any of these green links. They take you to the sales page. And what is it like? I need to give you some very good bonuses to go with this, because all these are all my affiliate links, and I do get commission when you buy, so I need to be honest with that. So what is this? Okay, first best, this is my, or all affiliate marketers, secret plugin, I will say. You're going to buy a plugin product. This plugin is going to be absolute necessary. Anybody who comes into your website, everybody are not going to convert. They're going to press the back button and they just go. This is like, people are busy, they just press the back button. So what does this plugin do? It's a paid one. I'm sorry, I know it's a paid one, but this is going to be helpful. I know I can give Humpty number of bonuses and just say take it, but I just wanted to give you something useful. What does this plugin do? So anybody press the back button, it doesn't allow them to go just like that. When they press back button, you can divert them to whichever website you want them to go to. Again, you can try to divert them to your local client's website, or to any affiliate products, or whichever place you want them to go. You can, as soon as they press the back button, they will be taken to the place where you want them to. That's how good it is. I have done a review of this product. Go through it. If you like it, you buy it. I'm sure if you don't like it, you get warranty, and I'm sure you will be happy with the product you're going to get. That's how good it is. I just wanted to give you a very good product to you. This is one of the top secrets of lots of affiliate marketers. I'm sure it's going to be useful for local leads, as well. Okay, this is something, building websites are good and SEOs are good, but there's also, I just wanted to give you some kind of other traffic bonuses. That's where there's something I learned from Josh. So these are like 3 alternative methods how to drive traffic to your website. So that's also a website traffic bonus, and this is something you need to have. Having SEO is really good, kind of to push it, but this is something you need to have your presence in social media, and this is where this plugin will help you to drive traffic through all these 8 social sites completely on autopilot. So this is a very good plugin I wanted to add as well. And this is something, as I told you, they also have very good training about installing WordPress and stuff. If you don't know anything about, as what I did, my mistake was I installed on one of the testing website. That's not good. If for this product you need to, they really recommend you to put it on a completely new WordPress install, rather than putting it on like an older one which is have these issues. You can do it, but they really recommend to have it on a separate install. So what I did mistake was I did it on one of the demo sites, and that's why I was not able to get like all the features to be seen. So it's always they recommend to have it on a separate WordPress install. If you don't know anything about WordPress, this is going to help you a lot. Lots of good training here, and this is something I learned from Mosh Barry. Is a very good affiliate marketer. What this does do is it will help you drive free traffic. It's a case study, and it is completely worth it. Okay, that's all my bonuses. Apart from this, all the good bonuses from the vendor is also going to be included over here, or part of this one. So that's it for me, guys. I've just added as much as good bonus to you, which will complement what you're going to buy. And for a $27 one-time fee to get a plugin which is going to like help your business or your client business generate leads automatically, this is going to be a no-brainer. I'm telling you, a one-time payment for a plugin which is like help you generate leads. Imagine just 3 industry, even one company, you're going to do a website like this, a website of 5,000, like 500 or 1,000 pages for a local business client. Imagine how much you can sell that website for. That page which you have built, and with this plugin you can sell to them like $1,000, $2,000. The potential is so much, that's going to help them like build website covering all the locations as well as generate leads for them. That it's going to be a prize you're going to get. I'm telling you, go through any Fiverr or any freelance website, building a website like this, as well as it's going to help them to SEO based easily come up on the Google search. This is going to be like really a no-brainer for them. You can really try it for your website or for your local business, your client. This is going to be really helpful. I really feel, I know, because I'm using a mass page to rank my videos or rank my websites through a different, that's for affiliate marketing. I'm sure the same technology is being used here, targeting local leads business, which is going to generate a website as well as going to rank them. So that's going to help you generate lots and lots of leads. That's it for me, guys. I mean, apart from this, if you like to join my Facebook group, you can see this. I have some cool bonuses to give away. I'm into affiliate marketing and you know, online funnel building. If you'd like to join, please join, and I will just give away these cool bonuses over here. So all the other bonuses which I mentioned above is going to be over here. You can see the excess affiliate bonus. It's all will be there straight away delivered to you when you buy it. That's it for me, guys. If you like, please like and share, and I will add the proper demo so you're not really confused about if I not explain anything clearly. All will be, you know, in the demo of this product. I'll add this end of this video so you'll know what it is all about. That's it for me, guys. Please like and share and subscribe so I can bring some cool bonuses and cool products like this every time when it releases. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye.
Okay, so what you can see on the screen at the minute is our auto electrician theme. Now this has been downloaded straight from our theme club, and once you install it, a few clicks, it looks something like this. Well, it looks exactly like this actually. So that's your auto electrician theme. Now the process I'm going to show you today is identical for all of our themes. So as you can see inside the theme club here, doesn't matter if you're an electrician, a plumber, gym, locksmith, accountant, all of these different industries here, no matter what industry you're trying to build a website in, you simply install the theme. These work for Visual Composer, for Divi, and for Elementor, so all of the top template builders, what do we call them? Theme builders. Okay, so I'll quickly show you. So what you do first of all is you just come in, and as you can see, once we've installed the theme, it automatically installs the plugin for you. Now what you should do before doing anything else is just make sure that everything's updated, so update everything that you possibly can. Then you want to wave over Magic Page and click on the Settings tab. Inside the settings, top right hand side here, you're going to see something that says Magic Page Databases. Click on that. Okay, now when you look up here, top right hand side, you can see Austria, Australia, Canada, Switzerland, Cyprus, Germany, Denmark, Spain, France, Ireland, India, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, New Zealand, Sweden, the United Kingdom, the United States, and South Africa. You can build websites in all of those locations using your license. Every single license has access to all of those locations. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you the United Kingdom one, because that's where I'm actually from. Okay, so we're inside the United Kingdom. So let's say we were going to do an auto electrician site with a radius of Manchester. Okay, so first thing I'd do is I'd probably go in and apply filters. Okay, so we're in the northwest here. You have a few options. You can apply filters based on population. In fact, just let me show you. You see we've got 4,071 locations in the northwest. If we apply the filters and we go for a population of say 20,000 or above, click apply filters, and what you're going to see is there's only 90 locations. Oh, sorry, 129 locations. Okay, now if we delete that and get rid of that and we just wanted the major cities, so all the big ones, Manchester, Liverpool, Leeds, and click apply filters, as you can see there's only 19 major cities in the northwest UK. Right, on this occasion we want to cover Manchester, so what we're going to do is click on Greater Manchester and click apply filters. So what that's now done is that's given us 895 locations all within Greater Manchester. Okay, so let's just build a website for Greater Manchester. Now you can do this all over the world, so it doesn't matter where you go in or anywhere in America, Canada, Australia, you can do this. So let's install the 895 locations based on the filters that we've just applied. Okay, so you see this ticking up now, and it really is that fast. It's just installed the database for all 895 locations within Greater Manchester, UK. I'll click continue. Okay, step number 2 is go over to your Magic Page and click add new page. It's going to verify your license key, and once it knows that your license key is real, obviously it's been purchased, then what it's going to do is take you through to the page, same as this. Right, now we have various shortcodes that we use on here. Okay, and I'll just show you what they are. So basically, wherever you use these on the page, if you use the word location, it's going to show the location that the page is that you're currently on. If you use slug, it's going to show the URL. County is county, regions, zip is the zip code or postcode, whichever one it is, country is the country, and then there's a few other ones down here which are used inside of your schema, like your country ISO, which is a short name for your country. Then you've got your latitude and your longitude, site title. So if you create a site title here, you can then use it as a shortcode anywhere throughout the page. Same with this site address, got your URL there, that's just going to pull in your URL. Okay, there's going to be full training on this, you don't need to see it all today, and I'm just going to very quickly put a site together for you. So first thing what we want to do is, I'm just going to title this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the location shortcode. Now I did that the long way there. What you can actually do is just click the button next to it. That copies it and paste it in there. Then what we want to do is set our central location. So as soon as you start typing in this top right hand corner, there you go, we've got two, New Manchester and Manchester, both M postcode areas. Now we've got this set to 1,000 mile radius, but let's say we only wanted to go within a 3 mile radius. We change that to 3 from 1,000 mile radius, and it's going to come all the way down to 49 locations. So if a client only covers within a 5 mile radius of their business premises, you say no problem. There's a 5 mile website, got 121 pages. On this occasion, we'll cover the whole of Greater Manchester, so let's just put 20 in, and that should probably give us the full 895. 894 it's given us, but that'll do. So we've got 894 pages there, okay? And I'm just going to publish that page. And like I said, on this occasion I'm using Elementor, but you can use this with Elementor, Visual Composer and Divi, and all the themes are created in all three of those builders, so you can choose whichever one you want, and the process is identical for any of them, other than the build process, which is based on which builder you're used to. Okay. Next steps, come down to Elementor, and I'm going to click on the Settings tab. And what I'm doing here now is I'm actually activating Elementor on the Magic page and on every other page, so you can use the page builder wherever you want it. Okay, Magic page. And now the page will have changed. So what it's going to do is show a tab that says Edit with Elementor. So we're going to go into Edit it with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see, we've got an outline of a theme at the minute, which is your additional page. Next step, we click on that little tab there. I'll just show you that again, the folder. Click on the folder. Click on My Templates. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the template for MPP page, which is Magic Page plugin page. So let's click Insert and click Yes. And look at that. Now it looks exactly like the home page. Well, that's nothing amazing at the minute, but obviously just give me a few minutes to continue. Right, so the first thing we're probably going to do here is we're going to make some edits. So what I would want to do initially is let's click on Edit here. Get the very best. In location. Okay, so that's get, well, let's get rid of that. Oh, you do it over here on the left. Okie dokie, auto electrician in location. I'll show you how that works in a minute. Now, one of the key things that this software has that no other software provides is something called a city shortcode. Now, everybody wants a sitemap throughout their websites. Well, we've created something that we like to call the automatic sitemap, and I'll show you exactly how that works. So, for example, and as you can see, I'm doing a shortcode here in location or cities. Call now. Okay, so if you want, and let's put a capital letter on the front there just because it should be. I'm not going to do the content for all of the page because you can see you just pop through and change it all. But what I'm doing now is going to click update. And I'm going to go up to the menu at the top and I'm going to view page. Okay, so as you can see now, we've got one that says auto electrician in Manchester. Okay, because that's the central location. See this here? If you need an auto electrician in Manchester, the central location, or Ancoats, Hume, University, St George's, Brunswick, Ordsall, Strangeways, Ardwick, Moss Side, Cheetah Mill, Call Now. Basically, that's just pulled in the 10 closest locations to the page that we're currently on. So let's move ourselves away from the centre of Manchester to Cheetah Mill. And what you're going to see is all of these are going to change, okay? Cheetah Mill or Strangeways, Collyhurst, Higher Broughton, Lower Broughton, The Cliff, Miles Platine, Kersall, Dale, Ancoats, Crumpsall, Manchester, Call Now. So as you can see, it's pulled in the 10 closest locations to the page that we're currently on. And what it is, it's like a dynamic sitemap that runs through and adds the 10 closest places to the link to the page that you're currently on every single page. So there's completely unique sitemap set of links, or siloed linking structure on every single page of the site, no matter what. Okay, another quick thing I'm going to show you. So let's go back into Edit Magic Page. I'm going to click the button at the top to edit the page. I'm going to scroll down, and what you're going to find down the bottom here is meta title, meta description, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I've got previous auto electrician location. I'll show you exactly how this works in a moment. I'm not going to fill all of the meta description and meta keywords because obviously I don't want to be an RL day. The canonical link, that's actually canonical link, which is good for SEO, so you should use that. Paste that in, auto electrician location, that's going to be your OG, and then you put your Twitter details in here. That's not the important part. The very, very important part here is over here. You see the expand JSON LD settings? Click on that, and what you're going to find is we have site title, okay? So let's call us auto electrician location. This here will pull in the site URL. What we're doing here, this is schema, but it's schema created to the point where it's so simple, you fill in a form and nothing else needs doing. So let me just show you what I mean. Let's see, we've got all these different types of businesses you can choose from, but I think I spotted ours at the top, which would be auto repair. Yep, for auto electrician. So your site URL is going to be in there. You can pop an address in there if you want, but we don't need to put the street name. You can also add spin text in here, so you could have different like brown, green, blue, pink street and all the rest. I tend to leave that blank because it doesn't throw up any errors. Next thing we'd do is probably add a number. So let's say we're just going to go with a load of 9s. Telephone number, you'd add your email. You don't necessarily have to have it. You'd also have a price range, so 50 to 150 per hour. Okay, you can have a description in there if you want. I'm not going to bother. Get your longitude and latitude, and then you can even set your business's opening hours. So if you want to do it on one range, say you're open Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and you close Saturday, Sunday, that'd be your business hours. In here you add social links, okay? Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save that. So let's update. Okay, so let's go back and view the magic page now. So what you see in here is auto locksmith, auto electrician in Manchester. And if you scroll down, every single page has got these 10 closest locations, okay? So we click on auto. So what we've just built now, in a couple of minutes, is an 895 page website that took seconds to do, okay? Once you know what you're doing with this, you can have one of these up in 5 minutes. Don't know how much you could sell that to a client for, 2 grand, 3 grand? I don't know. You can do this with a 10,000 page website if you want. There is no limit. There's 181,000 locations in the US. So if you wanted to do a website that covered the whole of the US, simply click the button, set the radius, install the databases, and you're done. Okay, not only that, if I now click on the SEO Kuwait toolbar and click diagnosis, what you'll see is what we've put in here is the canonical, the title, and a few other bits. But if we scroll down, the schema you've just watched us installing, if I click on the schema now, there will be one error because I didn't put an image in the page. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And what this is Google's structured data repair tool. So you've got a site navigation element, but the one we're interested in is the auto repair. So as you can see here, we have auto repair. Okay, the site ID is the site URL, and the site URL is the URL. If you look here, you've got your price range 50 to 150, auto electrician Ordsall, okay, because we was on the Ordsall page. And what it'll also do is it pulls in the geo coordinates, which is the longitude and latitude data for every single area on the website. So if we're looking at that one now for Ordsall, let me go back over to the web page. Let me scroll down and let me click on one for, oh, lost the list. Here, let me see if we can spot Manchester on there. There's Manchester. So let's click on the Manchester one and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, and as you can see now we're on the Manchester page. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to go over and show you the schema for the Manchester page. So let's click on diagnosis, scroll down the page and select the structured data schema. Okay, so we've got auto repair here. Now I'm going to compare the two. Okay, so the structured data previously, as you can see, it says Auto Electrician Manchester. It's got Manchester Northwest M2. Let's go back over to the Auto one. The Auto one is postcode Auto Northwest M54, country UK. Opening hours are the same, but we can change them. And then you've got 53.47268 as the geo coordinates. Let's go back over to Manchester, 47894. So as you can see, it's pulling in unique location data for every single page throughout of the whole website. If we highlight this section here, right click and click go to, what you will see is it opens up a map in the area that we're on, Manchester. If we go over to the Auto one, what it's doing is creating a has map in the area that we're currently on, so it'll be in Auto. So what this is doing, it's providing local data to a level which is unseen on any other type of software out there. Okay, so you've got advanced schema that is better than 99.9% of the people out there straight away without knowing anything about it. It pulls in a map for the location, it pulls in the geolocation data, it pulls in longitude and latitude. It's just advanced schema, okay? But as everybody knows who's involved in SEO, schema is a huge ranking factor in 2019 and will be on beyond, because that's what Google's after. We just created an 895 page website in like a couple of minutes, okay, and it's almost SEO perfect. Now once you get good at this, you could create these in under a minute. Imagine what that's going to do for your business or for your clients' businesses moving forward. Thank you very much.